everyone, it's Gigi. Today I'm drawing fresh, delicious fruits. Let's draw and color them together. Grab your pencils and let's go. First, I'm drawing an apple. Then I'll draw a banana. Now I'll draw an orange. Let's draw grapes. Yummy, so delicious. What fruit do you like the most? It's kiwi time. Finally, I'm drawing pomegranate. It's coloring time. We will color the apple red. The banana is yellow. Of course, the orange is orange in color. Purple. Do you know what is the color of the kiwi? That's right! They are colored with green and brown. Finally, the pomegranate is red.